Oh, hi there. What's better than 2 chairs? It's 4, of course. In the video the other day, I showed you how you could use 2 chairs for the bench press if you had no spotter. Today, it's my lower body, and I'm still doing my isometrics at a long muscle range. So I've picked the Bulgarian squat, and I need something that's going to give me a guide as how deep I'm going to go, and also if I fail, some sort of pins, because I don't have any. So I've used 4 chairs to actually set it up so I could squat safely. In this video, also a sneak peek at some of the other work I'm doing. So in between, I'm using the bar for my modified chin-ups because I don't have a chin-up bar. And also with my long range isometrics, I'm also exploring using the hip thruster now. I've got the G thruster here, and so I'm able to perform single leg because once again, I'm unable to put lots of weight on when I'm at a normal commercial gym with pins and lots of weights around. So it's the convenience of a bar on 2 rails, and it's really great. So I hope you enjoyed a little insight into my session of what I'm doing. Hope you gave you some ideas if you're struggling for a spotter or if you haven't got all the equipment that you normally do in a big gym. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.